Come ride the little train that is rolling down the tracks to the junction. Forget about your cares, it is time to relax at the junction. Lots of curves, you bet, and even more when you get to the junction.
Petticoat Junction.
There's a little hotel called the Shady Rest at the junction.
Petticoat Junction.
It is run by Kate. Come and be her guest at the junction.
Petticoat Junction.
And that's Uncle Joe. He's a moving kind of slow at the junction.
Hey, back at you again. This is actually the next day continued from Sandusky Bay, though I had to take the junk heap in, have it serviced again. Do have a train here at Poorman Road. Here he comes. Just step on the pavement so I don't trip when I move sideways. Sorry about that. This would be a short express run. There she goes. Hey, whole minute and 4 seconds of train there, but anyway, I'm gonna catch a few more here and see what else goes on here. Like I said, this is actually the next day with David Coleman from Sandusky Bay, so I'm going to catch maybe a good handful around here, so we'll see what happens. So then again, I may have to go get the junk heap today. They said it might be done today, so okay, we'll be right back again. Got another eastbounder here, still at Poorman Road. Should be coming around the bend over there at Joppa Road down there. Lights going off a little early. Although I have a really good chance of getting Illinois Terminal and Wabash locomotives today here. Sighted in Bree, Ohio approximately 15 minutes ago. This looks like another Shorty Express run here too. Look at that one. That was a pretty beautiful shape. Nope, I guess this ain't a Shorty. Boy, that Norfolk local, that was a nice, beautiful shape. They must have restored it. Okay, there she goes. Okay, well, I'm going to catch that Illinois terminal. I've been looking for that one myself. I did get the interstate in Bellevue. In fact, those episodes will be coming up pretty quick, so. Anyway, I don't know why I'm saying that, because this video is going to be way after that, so don't mind me. All right, we're going to see if we can get the Illinois terminal. We're here at the 225 mile marker approximately, and then Berea, when it was sighted, is at the 194. So, you do the math, I guess. Probably about 20. I take that back, about 34 miles away from here. Probably. I imagine it's probably near Elyria by now. So, all right, we're gonna catch them. We'll be right group. Back at you again. Here comes our Illinois Central and Wabash train 13N. And I see it. Hot paraffin wax, liquefied petroleum. More petroleum. Denatured alcohol. More petroleum. Alcohol again. Catch that car. I think it was 1287 Argon or something. There it is. right. I got the Illinois terminal and the Wabash probably about the 4th time. Anyway, all right. I think maybe we'll catch another one here or two. And we'll be right back. Hey! Guess what? I'm going to get another shot at this site, though, that I really like. Here on Poorman Road, where the 2 double bridge overpass is. Right there. And we do have a train coming. As you can hear. You'll be coming from around this direction over this way. I hear him. He's a-coming. This would be the Cleveland subdivision, approximately 224.7. Here he comes. Unable to see what's on the cars yet. There's some stinky blue containers. I actually feel the ground shaking a little. Not seeing anything listed on these things. That looked like denatured alcohol. Yeah, just too far to see. That's the liquefied petroleum, the one car is. I do see cars in these auto racks. There she goes. Okay, there'll probably be some time before another one comes across this line, so I'm gonna head up back to where I was before and we'll be right back. Probably gotta wrap it up. Okay, back at you again. No sooner I left the other side of this Poorman Road, I'm at the other crossing. We got a eastbounder coming here. Just went through Joppa Road. It appears he's on the track next to me. I think. Whoops, sorry about that. I mentioned before in the past, you see there's a real problem right here. A little bit of eroding here. Appears to be slowing down. Truck trains, trailer trains, I should say. Okay, there she goes. Well, that's going to conclude it, though, for this series of episodes here. Anyway, always bear this in mind. Always look and listen at the crossings, though, because sometimes these gates do malfunction time to time. That train that went by is going to get a second chance. You don't. You ever get your car stuck on the track, so call the blue sign that's on the post right behind me, though. Every second counts. Get everybody out of the car, of course. Sometimes 911 is too delayed. That's a direct pathway. Every second counts. Whatever you do, don't try to get the cops involved, though, because they're going to turn it around on you. They're going to jail you, steal your money, steal your vehicle, providing it survives. Hope that don't ever happen. Give a thumbs up for the men and women of the railroad to keep America moving, and a thumbs up for David Poorman. We'll see you next time.
Petticoat Junction.
And that's Uncle Joe, he's a moving kind of slow at the junction. Petticoat Junction.